Hi, Kim.
Hey, Chassity, I know you're at an appointment, but do you have 5 minutes? Because I have to show you our new listing. It's at 187 Finley Drive. This home is upgrades galore, right down to the oak spindle staircase, the interior doors, the cabinets, everything. Here's the two-piece powder room. Beautiful. And the double closet. Ceramic entry. Look at this, check it out. And look at this amazing living area.
This living area is really big. I love the open concept.
We've got the gas fireplace, all the lighting has been upgraded. This home, as I said at the beginning, is upgrades galore. The kitchen is all granite counters and backsplash, and they've got the gas stove that you love.
You know me, I love a gas stove.
And check out the eat-in dining area, Chassity. It's amazing. It's large, it's spacious, it's roomy. This home is perfect for entertaining. I want to show you out back quickly. Let's check it out.
What a relaxing backyard.
All right, so that's the backyard. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Okay, so this home is 2,200 square feet. Check out this 4-piece bathroom. Even the broadloom has upgraded under padding. Remember I told you like this home has upgrades galore. Interior doors, all the trim, everything. 4 roomy bedrooms.
Great size bedrooms. Who is the builder?
It's the Carrington model built by Grandview Homes. Look at this. Double closets. You never have enough of those. And check out this bathroom.
It's a beautiful house.
I know we're super excited for this new listing to hit MLS, and I'll talk to you in a couple of hours, and good luck with the rest of your appointment.
Thanks, Kim. I'll see you soon.
Bye.